how do I stop seeking validation from outside? Like there's a constant, वो doubt भी आता है या फिर insecurity भी आती है because you think that others are not liking you, someone that you don't even know. So how do you stop seeking that?
You know, there's a pattern that I have noticed in my life, in the life of people around me, friends, a lot of people. In households where there has been a lack of love, then you've grown up believing that you're not good enough. And it's not a very conscious thought, it's a very subconscious thought. You may not even be able to pin down that this is my issue, but actually that is the issue. The lack of self-worth is the issue. And when we don't have that, then we want somebody to tell us that we have it. You know, we need something or someone, either a circumstance.
Yeah.
So in our, for example, if there is a vocation that you're in, some work that you're doing, and if you get appreciated for your work, then you feel this is the place that appreciates me. And then you give your everything to that space. So you start working even harder and harder. It may not be a bad thing, but at the end of the day, you're doing it for the wrong reason. Because what is working for you today can crash at any point. Because life is unpredictable.
Yeah.
You will not always be on an upswing. You know, your career may not always be an upswing. You also have down times. So then what ends up happening is our entire life is dependent on what is our circumstance. And it's true to probably 99% people. But just because it's true for 99% people does not mean it's the right way. So because we did not find that validation in, I mean, childhood is just an example. I mean, it's not always like everything is not your parents' fault, firstly, you know, because a lot of times it sounds like that. It's not, you know, it's just that even, and if you look at the flip side, a house where you've always got a lot of love, a lot of validation, a lot of attention. The day you come out of college, even till college, life is a little rosy, you know, because you still work, you've not started working, you've not started interacting with that external environment. You are. And there is a politics of school and politics of neighborhood friends and politics of college, but not at the level that it can be sometimes in a work environment where everybody's out there to, you know, get somewhere. And also in school, life is a little, school and college life is a little fair because you're judged for your standard. But once you're in the external environment, it's like, yeah, the 20-year-old, the 25-year-old, the 40-year-old, everybody are trying for the same thing. So, you know, it's not even like fair in that sense. It's fair because that person, the person who's 40, has given 20 years to reach and maybe vying for the same spot that you are vying for, probably. So it's fair because they put in. But for you, it's a very confusing state because you have received so much love. Now you want everybody in the external world, in the real world also to give you that much love. So in both scenarios, you get a little fucked. Because even in that scenario, you're expecting people to love you. Why are they not behaving with me the way my parents have brought me up? And then you start going into that hole of, oh, why is this happening? And I want their love. Just because my parents also give me love, you also give me love. So in either scenario, till we are attaching our self-worth to something that is coming from outside of us, this issue of wanting validation from the external world will always pervade. So the only way for it to not be there is to not want to know from somebody else that you are good. It's such a simple thing.
Yeah.
कोई मुझे बाहर से आके क्यों बताया कि मैं अच्छी हूँ और उसको अच्छा भी क्यों बोलना या बुरा भी क्यों बोलना, आप तो आप हो ना, और जो आप हो वही यूनिक है. बाहर से कोई क्यों आके बताए कि वामिका को ऐसा होना चाहिए वैसा होना चाहिए. यस, हमें भी वामिका को वामिका का ही बेटर वर्जन बनना है. And that is what self-growth is. Self-growth is not becoming somebody else. Self-growth is becoming a better version of your own self. That is self-growth. So what I was trying to tell you in the beginning, that I have noticed this pattern. So the pattern is, a lot of times, this issue of validation is slightly more in people in their 20s, sometimes even in their 30s. But the slightly older people, above 35 and 40, sometimes they have this issue lesser. And especially if they've worked on themselves. Because when you start out, you will feel this. at some degree. You may feel it 90%, I need external validation 90% of the times, or you may feel it 10% of the time, but you will feel it. You will want somebody to tell you कि तुम अच्छे हो. You know, that's why, for example, if you're an actor and if an industry expert who's been there for 15-20 years and comes and says, Vamika, you're very good, बहुत अच्छी एक्टर, तुम्हें लगता है कि ये बंदा 15-20 साल से काम कर रहा है, इसने आके मुझे बोला तो मैं अच्छी हूँ. You know, because you're also starting out, so you also want somebody to tell you that you're making sense.
Yeah.
So a part of that journey is because you're new to the journey. Part of it is because you're engaging with the external environment at this professional degree for the first time. So this need for validation is there in people in the 60s and 70s also. But it's just, if it's more in your 20s, even in your 30s, but it goes away with time. That is if you work on yourself. If you work on understanding that life is a journey. I may be at 10% right now in terms of my career, but I've also given 1 year or 3 years or 5 years to it. So I will be at 10% or 20% or 30%. I can't be at 100% when I start.
Yes.
So this is the mistake we make. We start, अभी काम 1 साल का experience है, but मेरे को 100 देना है. शायद तुम 100 नहीं दे सकते हो. मतलब तुम्हें अपना 100 देना है, yes. But तुम्हारा 100 एक 10 साल के experience वाले के 100 जितना अच्छा शायद ना हो. क्योंकि उसके पास 10 साल का experience भी है और उसको पता भी है कि कैसे करना है. तो वो सेम नहीं हो सकता. Experience also counts, capabilities are different in people, talent is different in people. तो validation से बचने का एक ही तरीका है, आप समझ जाओ कि आप हो, आप कोई और नहीं हो. वैलिडेशन तब चाहिए जब हम आँख खोल के देखते हैं ये ऐसा एक्टर, ये ऐसा एक्टर, ये ऐसा एक्टर, ये ऐसा एक्टर,
मैं कैसा हूँ
और मैं ऐसा एक्टर. तब वो वैलिडेशन की नीड ज़्यादा आती है.
या
पर देखो 6 महीने पहले मैं कैसी एक्टर थी, आज मैं कैसी एक्टर हूँ, आपको आपका वैलिडेशन मिल जाएगा.